Here are 15 kidney-friendly foods that may help improve kidney health. 1. Cauliflower. Rich in vitamin K, folate, and antioxidants. 2. Blueberries. Low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium, with heart-protective anthocyanins. 3. Sea bass. Provides high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids. 4. Red grapes. Contain antioxidants and are kidney-friendly. 5. Egg whites. High-quality protein without phosphorus. 6. Garlic. Has anti-inflammatory properties. 7. Buckwheat. A nutritious grain with low potassium. 8. Olive oil. Heart-healthy fat. 9. Bulgur. Low in potassium and a good source of fiber. 10. Cabbage. Rich in vitamins and minerals. 11. Chicken. Lean protein option. 12. Peppers. Low in potassium. 13. Onions. Flavorful and kidney-friendly. 14. Arugula. Nutrient-packed leafy green. 15. Macadamia nuts. Provide healthy fats.